This is your local weather update with the North Alabama WX Watch team.
Hey there, folks. We sure do hope you had a wonderful Tuesday evening and day today. Today we had partly cloudy skies with a high of 84 with wind gusting around 10 miles per hour coming from the south. Let's go ahead and talk about the rest of tonight going into early tomorrow and for the rest of the week. But I'm Nicholas Driver. Let's get into the forecast. Take a look at tonight's forecast. Cloudy skies with isolated showers possible throughout the evening. We'll have a low of 66 degrees. Won't be that cold at all, so you won't need anything. You may need some AC on tonight for sure, as it will be on the warmer side, and it will be a little humid tonight as well. We'll have wind gusting again, still from the around 10 to 15 miles per hour coming from the south. That's blowing up all that moisture in the atmosphere, and that is what's going to set up for our possible severe weather tomorrow, Wednesday. We'll talk a little bit more about that here in a minute. Hourly planner for tonight, starting from Tuesday night going into early Wednesday morning, 10 p.m. tonight. Isolated showers can be expected, especially if you're west of I-65. You can expect a few isolated showers here and there. Our temperatures will be in those lower 70s. 12 a.m. Cloudy skies will be in the forecast for the rest of that until about 4 to 6 a.m. Isolated showers will move back in. We'll start dropping from the upper 60s to the lower 60s by 6 a.m. and we'll go ahead and start climbing back up to the mid and upper 60s by 8 a.m. We'll begin to start seeing isolated to scattered showers by 6 and 8 a.m. time here, and it's mainly going to be early in the morning when we're heading off to work and school, so be sure to bring an umbrella with you, maybe some rain boots and a jacket, just to be sure that you don't get wet for your early morning commute. And take it slow. Turn on your windshield wipers if you can, if you would as well. But here's your tomorrow's forecast in a big picture here. Scattered rain showers with a possible of a few stronger storms, high of 73. Wind gusts will be gusting from the south-southwest around 10 to 15, maybe even 20 miles per hour during the afternoon hours. But again, scattered. Stronger storms can be possible throughout the evening and early morning to the afternoon hours. SPC Outlook Day 2, we have a marginal risk for all of our North Alabama counties. So that is showing our severe risk to be decently low, but it's going to be marginal. And we're only going to see at least a few storms that could be stronger at times. Lightning, frequent lightning can be possible. Smaller hail. We're not really expecting any tornadoes. Damaging winds can be up as high as 45 to 50 miles per hour. Hail, low risk, but we could still maybe see at least a risk there. And flooding, that's on a very low or not likely risk for this evening. But again, we did have parts of I-65, if you were west of I-65 earlier this morning, y'all were in that marginal risk, but that marginal risk got extended down farther south. So the National Weather Service and us, we're all watching the possibility of some severe weather for our region tomorrow. I want to go ahead and take a look at your future radar here real quick. These storms will begin to move in again around the early morning hours from 5 a.m. to about 9 a.m. That's our quarter there, where some of these stronger storms will move over the central Alabama region, bring heavier downpours, maybe some frequent lightning, gustier winds, and smaller hail. So be on the lookout with this. If you do end up driving while there's some severe weather out there, just take it slow on the roadways, and we'll keep you weather aware on that part as well. Take a look at your rainfall amounts. Nothing much. Main rainfall will be just under an inch, depending on how strong the storm is. Though, if the storm is stronger than the criteria, then we'll get about an inch of rainfall in some areas. So it's kind of spotty in nature. I'll have a better forecast tomorrow afternoon, hopefully, on what we could see for the next or after all that rainfall falls. Excuse me. Here's your rain chances over the next 5 days here. Wednesday, again, that's a medium chance for a few rain showers. It's going to be in the 50 to 60 range there, possibly 70 range as well. Thursday, and we got a low chance around 20%. By Friday, those rain chances pick back up. We got a medium percent chance. That's going to be in the 30s and 40s. And by Saturday, that's in a lower chance. Once again, we're going to be down in the 20% chance there. And Sunday, no rain chances expected at all. Here is your 7-day outlook here. Starting Wednesday, a few stronger storms possible. High of 73, low of 63 for your Wednesday night. Looking at your Thursday, partly cloudy skies in the region. High of 86. Might be a little humid out there, depending on if this little small rain system pushes all that humidity out of this area. By Thursday night, 65. Friday, we'll get another system of rain that move through. Some stronger storms can be possible. We'll talk a little bit more about that on Wednesday's morning update or afternoon update. Excuse me. We'll focus in on our Friday severe weather risk. But for right now, there is a chance of scattered to isolated severe weather chance for your Friday. High of 76, low of 54. We'll have that cold front move out. Saturday through Sunday, rain chances will continue to move through the area and stay with us for your weekend. So it looks like we'll have a wet weekend, unfortunately. So plan ahead if you got any weekend plans to have a jacket and an umbrella on hand. High of 67 for your Saturday, low of 49 for your Saturday night. By Sunday, high of 59, low of 45. So we're going to get decently chilly. But by your next work week, we're going to begin to warm right back up with fair skies with a high of 69 by Tuesday, a high of 74. But I hope you folks do enjoy the rest of your Tuesday evening. Stay tuned with me here at the North Alabama WX Watch team. We will keep you weather aware and tuned in on the next upcoming weather systems that might be moving in.